Okay. Over here, we are trying to find out how the resistivity of a material varies with temperature. That means we are going to do temperature dependence of resistivity. First of all, I'll start with metals. Now in metals, one thing is very important. That is number of electrons per unit volume. Number of electrons per unit volume uh, is actually what happens. It is independent of. It is almost independent of temperature. It is almost, you will say, independent of temperature. Why? Because in case of metals, already you know number of electrons per unit volume is very high. So that means it is almost independent of temperature. Now another important thing that is important in this case of metals, if the temperature increases, very important, if the temperature increases, what happens? The thermal speed of the electrons increases. So what does it increases? Thermal speed of the electrons. Now thermal speed of electrons increases. This is very important. The thermal speed of the electrons increases. Now what happens? Therefore their amplitude of vibration, amplitude of vibration, amplitude of vibration also increases. So can you see, in a metal, if the temperature increases, the thermal speed of the electrons increases. Therefore, we can say that the amplitude of the vibration also increases. This is very important. So amplitude of the vibration also increases. Now what happens? That means you can say that the collision increases. Amplitude of vibration increases means collision between electrons increases. The collision between the electron increases. Thus we can say that tau, that is the average relaxation time, decreases. Now just see over here, children. Resistivity is inversely proportional to tau. We have already done that. So if tau decreases, so what will happen? Resistivity inversely proportional to tau. So if tau decreases, resistivity increases. So we can say if tau decreases, resistivity increases. So is the explanation clear to all of you? Why in a metal, increase of temperature results in increase of resistivity? What happens? The thermal speed of the electrons increases, amplitude of vibration of the free electrons. Over here, everything we are talking about free electrons. So you can say one thing, the amplitude of the vibration of the free electrons increases. As the amplitude of the vibration of the free electron increases, collision between the electrons increases. If the collision between the electrons increases, average relaxation time decreases. Resistivity inversely proportional to average relaxation time. So resistivity will increase. This is a very important thing I have tried to explain to you. Now, if I try to draw the graph to show that how the resistivity in case of metals varies with temperature, so the graph will be something like this. So over here you will find this is resistivity. Resistivity is taken in ohm meter, and the temperature that is taken in Kelvin, and you will find the graph will be following something like this type of increase. Am I clear? So if I try to write the mathematical expression of resistivity, so it will be something like this. This is equals to rho naught bracket 1 plus alpha bracket T minus T naught. Am I clear or not? So resistivity is equals to rho naught equals to rho naught into 1 plus alpha into T minus T naught. So this is the resistivity, and where alpha is called the temperature coefficient of resistivity. Alpha is called the temperature coefficient of resistivity. So temperature coefficient of resistivity. So this is regarding your variation of resistivity with respect to temperature in case of metals. So this is the graph to show you the variation of temperature in case of metals. This is very, very important. Am I clear? So this is the graph to show you the variation of temperature with variation of resistivity with temperature in case of metals. This is a very, very important thing. Okay, fine. So I think it is clear to all of you. So let me just move on to my next discussion. And